Hello everyone, this is Manohar. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about satellite optical communication. Let us see the contents and introduction, working, orbits and frequency allocation for the satellite system, satellite and advantages of the satellite communication, disadvantages of the satellite communication, applications and conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. The word satellite originated from the Latin word satellite, meaning an attendant, one who is constantly having a around and attending the master. The satellite is simply anybody that moves around another, usually much larger one in the mathematically predictable and path called an orbit. This is a satellite, and here they are using command antenna, communication antenna and solar panels, batteries and radio receiver and transmitter, rockets, main rocket motors and camera. The working of the satellite communication. The basic elements of the satellite communication system and are the shown in the next slide, and the process begins at the earth station, and illustration designed to transmit the receiver signals from a satellite in orbit around the earth. The earth station sends the information from the high powered and high frequency signals to satellite, and which receives the signals, transmit, and the signals can be back to the where they are received by the other constants and the station in the carriage of the satellite. The area which receives a signal of the usually strength from the satellite is known as the satellite footprint, and the transmission system from the earth station to the satellite and is called as uplink, and the system is from the satellite to the earth station is called as downlink. This is the uplink and downlink, and from the transmitter from transmitter to antenna, that is called as uplink, and from the satellite to receiver, that is called as downlink. Orbit. There is three types of orbits, and GEO, MEO, LEO. And GEO is 3000 GEO 36 kilometers from the earth, and MEO 6000 to 20,000 kilometers from the earth, and LEO 500 to 1500 kilometers from the earth. And the high elliptical orbits and are different from the radius bits. Medium earth orbit, MEO. The satellite have a longer conversion and than LEO satellites. MEO, the satellites longer duration, visibility, and the wider footprint means the fear of the satellites are the needs of the MEO, the network, than a LEO network. MEO and the satellites have a longer conversion and the area of that the LEO satellites. MEO satellite longer duration of the visibility and the wide footprint, and means favor the satellites are needed on MEO network than a LEO network. A MEO satellite distance gives a longer the time delay and the vehicle and the signals than a LEO satellite. Though not as bad as a geo satellite, the satellite's distance gives a longer time and delay and the vehicle signals than the LEO satellites, though not as bad as a geo satellite. Next, LEO, low Earth orbit. The LEO satellite much closer to the Earth than geo satellites, running from 500 to 1500 kilometers above the surface. The LEO satellite don't stay fixed position and relative to the surface and are the only visibility for the 15 to 20 minutes each pass, and the network LEO satellite necessary to for the LEO satellites to be used to handle necessary from one satellite to another need for the routine. This is the working of satellite communication. Let's go through it. Let's see advantages of the satellite communication. The coverage area of the satellite greatly exceeds that of the terrestrial system. Transmission cost and the satellite is a impedential of the distance from the center of the coverage area. Satellite to satellite communication is very prices, high bandwidth and advisable for the users. Let's see disadvantages of the satellite communication. Launching satellite into orbit is costly, and satellite bandwidth is groundly becoming used up. There is a longer programming delay in the satellite communication than the terrestrial communication. Thank you.